Hey guys, just a quick update on gold. As you know, last week it broke all-time highs again, nearly getting to 2590 over here after consolidating for about 3 weeks in this range over here. It has been in an uptrend, of course, for a very long period of time, but if you want to get into gold, just like I want to get into this trade, just watch this video to see what I am looking to do and how I'm going to catch this trade um, if it pulls back. Now, of course, you don't want to buy in here because there's literally no confluence. It's an all-time high, and it's all everything is new. There's no kind of like support or resistance to give you some confluences. So what I'm looking to do is you can see here, looking to the left, this was the range it has been respecting. So resistance over here, which probably now we should hope that this should be the support. So I've drawn the little support and resistance line here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for this price to come all the way down in here at 2530 at least. I'm not going to look to buy in here anywhere because I just don't have any confluences in there. So I'm going to wait for the price to come all the way down to its previous high at 2530, even lower here, but I'm going to set an alert in there and go ahead and do that. So I have an alert around in here, and then what I'm going to do as well, so that's one confluence, the resistance level, which is now support. To add another confluence, we can also add a fib in there, so we can just fib this area here and you get 78.6 in there as well. And then if you want to, you could also add a little trend line in there to get a few touches. So as you can see, we have a trend line now, we have the previous highs, we have also a round number 2530, we have 78.6 fib, so about 3 or 4 confluences there to take the trade. So that's why I will be looking to take the trade, and then as entry goes, so you could come closest as possible to this area here and then put your entry in there. And on gold you do need big stops because of how it moves, and then you could target again back up to this size, about 600 pips move, but you're risking only 90 pips, so very good risk reward. And hopefully it pulls back down on FOMC day, which is on Wednesday, and it's going to be very important because it is one of the most important meetings the Fed is going to have this year, because it all depends on how much the rate cut is going to be, whether it's going to be 25 points or whether it's going to be 50 points. So if it's an aggressive cut, we could even see gold going up even further. But if there is some positive news, then gold could pull back all the way down, which is what I'm hoping for, and that's where I'm going to look to take the trade.